Hello fam, it's day 25, which also happens to be the last day. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. So our fragrance pick for today, or our perfume pick for today, which happens to be the last day of the vlogmas, is from the house of Swiss Arabian. Okay, we are ending the vlogmas with Swiss Arabian. Okay, so I have here with me Oud Aswad. All right, yeah, Oud Aswad by Swiss Arabian. It's a unisex fragrance, comes in a 75 ml bottle. Okay, all those bottles comes in 75 ml. You should know that it's potent. Okay, and it's in the EDP concentration, which is the Eau de Parfum, not EDT, it's EDP, and it was launched in 2018. Okay, I think 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah, and I have with me here the 2019 version. This is the older version. It was launched in 2018. I have here with me the 2019 version. I got a gem, okay? I am proud I got a gem. Yeah, so let's quickly run through the notes, okay, to be sure of what's inside here. Okay, so the top note features saffron, thyme, and rose. Sounds good. Middle notes have coriander, cumin, rose, jasmine, patchouli, and oud. Whilst the base note has musk, sandalwood, leather, oud, amber, and vanilla, guys. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? According to Swiss Arabian's website, they describe this as an oriental woody fragrance, and yeah, it's true. It's oriental, it's woody, it's nice. It has the Middle Eastern vibe to it, which I'm not going to deny that. That incensey, that woody feel of Dubai, you're going to get it or inside this bottle. Though it's woody, it's oriental, there's more to this. All right, there's a lot more to it. Now let's just quickly go through the notes, what I feel, what I think about this, and mind you, don't spray like this. This is really strong, really strong. Okay, don't follow my footsteps. You might choke yourself, okay, or get yourself a headache, cold headache. Okay, so this opens up with an immediate sweet rose and spices. Okay, that's what you're going to get in the opening. It will just hit you in the face, or it will just hit you on the face. It's just sweet with sweet rose, if you get what I mean. The rose here is very sweet mixed with the spices. So that's what will hit you on an initial spray. The rose and the jasmine here is very well blended. Okay, very well blended together, done so well, and it makes this fragrance a beautiful one and a must-have. So the leather here is a bit animalic in my opinion, and the vanilla here too is a smoky vanilla. Okay, but the nicest thing about this fragrance here, SHAGHAF Oud Aswad, is that the notes are very soft, very well blended notes. If you are not someone that studies fragrances very well, you will hardly notice the note here. It's well blended, very well done. It's just welcoming, so soft. Yeah, you hardly notice anything if you are not that smart with fragrance notes. If you are just a layman, you wouldn't notice anything. So you would just know that this is just a very nice, long-lasting, projection beast mode fragrance. Okay, which leave a very good scent trio. All right. So I would describe this as an oriental, woody, floral, leathery, spicy. Yeah, I forgot. It's spicy, very spicy. Okay, so you say it's spicy, smoky, sweet, animalic, and a bit synthetic fragrance. All fragrances are synthetic. Just that some are very well done, really well done, and so you hardly recognize this, but this is good. Guys, this is good. Season, you know, I would say this would be a perfect fall, winter, spring fragrance. Okay, if you are in Africa, West Africa, where you always have the sun, the hotter or weather under the sun, you know, I would say this will be a very nice evening or night out scent. Okay, when the weather is a bit cold, you know, and calm, and the sun is no more. All right, yeah. Now to my favorite part, the performance of fragrance, guys. Mind you, I have the older version from 2019. Means, you know, a lot of people don't have any idea how good this is. So I guess the purchasing is not that much compared to SHAGHAF Oud. So if you want to purchase this, you have to hurry up. You know, I'm sure the older versions are still in the market, because I got this barely 2 months now, meaning you can still get your hands on the older versions before it get watered down or before they reformulate it. Okay, you know, I know this is going to be a bomb. A lot of people are going to, you know, get into this one, and it will be hard to find, and it will be reformulated. So you better get it now. Okay, this is a beast mode. It projects well, it fills up a room, it leaves a very good scent trio, amazing scent trio, guys, and this one lasts forever and ever on you, guys. Yeah, you know how I overspray my perfumes. If you know me, you know that I'm a bomb sprayer. You know, I could do like 20 sprays on me before stepping out, you know. But with this 5 sprays is enough for me, and it will last me days and months in my clothes, guys. This is just a banger, you know. I mean, how on earth did I not discover this when I got to know about SHAGHAF Oud? Anyway, I have it here with me now, and I'm just sticking on it. I just pray they don't you know, they don't reformulate it, you know. I pray that it keeps on being a SHAGHAF Oud Aswad as it is right now. Okay, now someone might ask, who can wear this? This is a unisex fragrance. A man can wear, a woman can wear this, you know. It's very versatile. Okay, just get this one and don't overspray it, you know. 5 sprays, you will just come back here and give me a testimony. Okay, get your hands on this one. Yeah, guys, I almost forgot, you know, there's something about the scent that you know, there's this incensey feel you're going to get from start to finish. Okay, it's very incensey, like there's an incense here which is very prominent, you know, but there's no list, there's no incense in the notes, but I don't know what it's where it's coming from, but I get I feel there's an incense here, because I get that incensey feel here. You know, if you have aswad and you also feel there's an incense, kindly let me know, because I think my nose is deceiving me, or you know, I'm just being weird or something, but I'm sure there's an incense here which I get throughout, you know, my wear. Okay, it's very prominent. All right, so guys, our fragrance pick for today was SHAGHAF Oud Aswad, our newfound love, which also happens to be our scent of the day. You know, it's very potent. Guys, this is a good one. You know, get your hands on it before it get watered down. I'm telling you for the last time, get your hands on it before it get watered down. Okay, all right, you know, you can see it from here. It's very potent, you know, very oil based. Though oil basing doesn't mean it lasts so long, but you know, this has a potency of longevity, which I wouldn't lie, last forever on the skin. So guys, thank you so much for sticking with me and throughout this video, you know, this vlogmas things. Thank you so much. You know, in case you missed any video, I will link them in the description box. You might want to go through and then catch up anytime you want to catch up. Okay, anytime you're free, just catch up with me. Yeah, that's it for you guys. I hope you enjoy your holidays. I hope you enjoy your occasions. You know, the Christians have a merry Christmas and a prosperous new year. We're hoping for the best next year. You know, well, we pray for God's protection. You know, we don't know what's ahead of us, but we hope, we know there's goodness in 2022. Okay, enjoy the rest of your holiday. Don't forget to leave your fragrances behind, guys. If you are traveling, make sure you pack your fragrances first before anything. You know, smelling good is part of the human life. I must tell you, if you don't know, okay? A human or woman or a human being is never complete without a fragrance. You know, smelling good is very important. Enjoy your holidays, have fun, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year from my end to you. See you next year. It's a bye. Bye.